What's good? It's your girl Shanta Artist, and I'm back with another video. Hey, video. No, let me stop. But this time it's gonna be nothing but fashion talk, and it's gonna be short and sweet. I want to show y'all how you can mix different textures, different patterns, and just be a little bit daring, be a little bit bold. Also take a plain basic outfit and just give that extra that extra finesse. Ooh, finesse. But yeah, but that extra something, and that is mixing different textures and patterns. Seriously, you can go a long way by throwing so many different variations of pattern or texture, and it could be a completely different outfit. And I'm here to show y'all how that will work. So yeah, I got on right now a basic comfortable shirt that I really adore from Forever 21 Plus. Please don't go looking for it because I got this years ago, and I'm sure they're probably not selling it. If they are, hey, this is really comfortable. I love it. And just regular jeans from Old Navy. Hey, you know that Rockstar skinny jeans? Love it. My favorite type of inexpensive jeans is from Old Navy. Okay, yes, I'm an Old Navy girl. But you don't need to spend a whole bunch of money to have a sense of style. And throughout my channel, y'all gonna see that, like, oh snap, I didn't have to spend all that money. How like celebrities be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these jeans and stuff like that. No, you do not. So yeah, this shirt is navy blue, and it's like a grayish cream, you know, as well, and it's paired with regular blue jeans. And you might be wondering, like, wait, that's cute. What you're wearing right now is cute. How can you add a little bit something? Most people will probably wear like a jacket and will either stick with the color scheme. And there's nothing wrong with sticking with the color scheme. So they'll probably wear like a navy blue jacket, or maybe even a grayish tan color jacket. And like I said, there's nothing wrong. Or even a jean jacket. There's nothing wrong with doing that. And if you do that, hey, accessorize. Make your accessories pop and bold if you want to just give that extra kick to that to your outfit. But I'm going to show you how you can do that with jackets. So I'm going to show you two looks, and the first look is, it's kind of, you know, yes, it has a different texture, but it's just bold, it's simple, and this is what I will wear. You know, like if I just want to be, you know, simple and but still have that bold, that kind of edgy look to it. And yeah, so my first jacket will be this beautiful burgundy bomber jacket. I got this jacket from, there's a store out here called Ross. I've found this store when I moved towards, like, you know, the West Coast. So Ross is such an inexpensive store. It's like TJ Maxx, it's like Marshalls, but in my opinion, a little bit cheaper and better in my opinion. In my opinion, I love Ross, for real. For the fact that it's cheaper and you can find really good finds. So that's why I rock with Ross heavy. But yeah, so I'm gonna try this on. And yeah, clearly I don't, when I take this jacket off, I just be rushing. But yeah. And here's the outfit with the burgundy jacket. You see how it just pops? This is how you mix different textures. This jacket is a shiny satin material, and then you have this cotton shirt. So this is how you mix textures, but also giving a little kick, a little, you know, a little bit different, a little jazz it up if you like. And I really like it like this. This is just my everyday, okay, I want a little something, I want to stand out just a little bit outfit. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little turn around. But it's cute, it's cute. This jacket was, I'm telling you, I think it was probably $15, if not like 11 or 12. That's how cheap Ross is. Okay, when I found it, I was like, yes, yes. I wish they had more colors, so I would have wrapped it up for real. But yeah, so yeah, I like this. I like this outfit. Let me know what you think about this first one. But this is what you can do. Like I said, most people would just put like a navy blue jacket on, or just match with the colors that you already got going on. But if you want that little bit extraness, throw on a bit of a color that just pops, that stands out. Don't be afraid to do that. Don't be afraid to pick a bold color and then make that your accent piece. Make that like the focal piece of your outfit. It does wonders. So jacket number 2, this is my favorite. Now this is mixing patterns. Like, oh, I'm gonna show y'all. I am going to show. So yeah, as you can see, this is a striped shirt going on, and how I make this outfit pop, literally, I change not only the texture, but I change the pattern. I add a different pattern to it, and this is one of my favorite jackets. And this beautiful floral jacket. Yes, like, get into this, get into this. Let me show y'all. What? What? Look. You see the difference in this outfit? Like, no, seriously, do you see the difference? I stuck with the color theme of like the navy blue on the sleeves and the hints of blue in the jacket, but the fact that it's floral and it's mixing with the stripes brings this outfit like on a different level, on a different scale. Oh my god. And then the shoes, if you want to wear shoes, typically I will probably pair like a brown shoe, but there's so many colors that you can work with. To like, there's green in here. Look, there's this hunter green, there's brown, there's like this beautiful like orange color, or even a blue shoe. Like, seriously, like this outfit, child, get into it, honey, get into it. Like, for real, like, look at this. Yes. Like, seriously, I literally wore this outfit, and I was getting so many compliments. They were like, okay, I see you. Like I said, be bold, be different. Don't be afraid to like try different textures, try different patterns, you know, for real, because it's all about confidence. It's all about owning it. And if you're confident in it, hey, if you feel like you're not that confident with doing florals and stripes, or polka dots and stripes and like checkers and all that, and mixing it all together, it's gonna show. So you just have to be confident, because trust me, it will work. It will work. I just find this a fun outfit. Like, seriously, a fun, young, hip outfit. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know. So outfit A with the burgundy jacket, you know, still give that extra pop, give that extra kick, but to me, it's chill, it's calm. Or outfit B. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Throwing in the different patterns. Hey. No, for real, let me know. Write a comment if you vote for outfit A, or write a comment if you vote for outfit B, and let me know what you think. Let me know your favorite, if you're daring, and if you like pairing different patterns together. And let me know in the comments if you have certain patterns in mind and you want to see how it works and how it pull it off, because I'm all about being daring and trying different things and seeing like, oh snap, that actually could work. And y'all gonna see a lot of that in these videos and in my YouTube channel. So give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. All right, bye.